Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to schedule an automatic shutdown on your Windows 10 computer using the command line window. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'm going to make note of is that there's going to be a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it. It starts with shutdown and then space minus sign S and then another space minus sign T, and then finally another space and then just says seconds. So you want to copy that and then open up the start menu, type in Notepad. Best result should come back with Notepad listed right above app. So go ahead and left click on that. So now Notepad's open. I'm going to just paste this command like I said that I'm going to have in the description of the video. You want to just copy it and then just paste it into the Notepad file here. So again, shutdown space minus sign S space minus sign T and then seconds. So in the seconds field, you want to type in the number of seconds you want to elapse before your system shuts down. So you want to just delete the seconds. It's a placeholder and just type in how many seconds. Remember 60 seconds are in a minute. I'm going to set it for 10 seconds. Make sure there's a space between the T and the first number of how many seconds you want it to wait for. And remember, it's got to be a numerical value here. So once you have it how you want it, just highlight over it, right click, copy, or you want to use a keyboard shortcut, doesn't matter to me. I'm going to go open up the start menu, type in CMD, best result should come back with command prompt. I'm going to go right click on that and select run as administrator. I'm going to select yes for user account control prompt, and then I'm just going to paste this command in. So I'm going to go up to the top bar of the command prompt here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. It's going to automatically shut down in about 10 seconds. You will have a warning though if you have any open programs or unsaved files, so I'm just going to close out of that. But your system will shut down, and that's about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.